Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch D and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here you should see the alarm clock icon. Tap on it to open the alarm menu. And here we can set up the alarm clock by tapping on the plus button, like this. Now we need to set the time on which the alarm should go off, and you can do it by swiping up and down on hours, then on minutes, and once you're done, tap on next. And here we can select on which days the alarm should repeat. And we have Monday, Tuesday, and we can enable the days by tapping on the switch next to them. So for example, I'm gonna enable Monday and Friday, and then tap on OK. And as you can see, here we have our alarm. It's gonna ring at 11:45 Mondays and Fridays, and we can enable it or disable it. You can also tap on it to edit it, and here we can change the time. We can change on which days it's gonna go off. Yes. We can also change the name of the alarm so you can recognize it, so you can tap on it, I believe. Oh, never mind, we can't change it for some reason. Weird. And another thing you can do is to delete the alarm. So for example, you have the alarms you don't want to use anymore, you can tap on them, tap on delete and tap on the check mark. And of course you can have multiple alarms if you want to. Like this. Okay. If your phone, or rather if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also set up the alarm clocks via the phone application. So I'm gonna move this to the side, bring our phone right here, zoom out the camera, something like this, move this to the side, reposition the watch. Okay, and now on our phone we're gonna open the Huawei Health application, of course on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app we can tap on devices, tap on Huawei Watch D. Now we can scroll down through this page and tap on the alarm. And here we can add new alarm by tapping on the add button, set the time, tap on the tag, and here we can rename it. For some reason we couldn't do it in the on the watch rather. Then we can tap on repeat and we can select the days. Okay. Also, I forgot to mention, if you don't check any days, it's gonna go only once. So basically it will go off once on the hour you set it to, and then it won't repeat. But if you select any of the days, it will repeat on those days. Okay, and once you're done, you can tap on the check mark. And here we have our alarms. We can enable them, disable them. We can tap on them to edit them. Of course, we can delete the alarm like this. And you can also enable and disable the smart alarm if you want to. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.